Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the Vertus Airdrop together. So, stick around until the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest airdrops and update. Alright, let's get into it. As you probably know, this airdrop is getting listed on 4 major exchanges on December 27th. That's when we'll be able to sell our tokens. You can check the pre-sale price of this token on this site right here. As you can see, the price is looking good for now. But keep in mind, we're not mining these tokens in the Vertus bot. Once it's listed, we'll need to convert our tokens into the Vert token, though the exact conversion rate hasn't been announced yet. Here's a super important tip: when you open the bot, click on your profile at the top of the main page. It'll take you to a screen where you'll see your Vertus wallet address. If your Keeper wallet address isn't showing up below, you'll need to reconnect your wallet. To do that, just click on the option right here, and you can easily connect your wallet. Sometimes, it won't redirect you to Ton Keeper and might give you an error. If that happens, just keep trying until it works. Yeah, it might take a few tries, but don't give up, you'll eventually get your wallet connected. Oh, and don't forget to check the bot regularly in these remaining days to claim your rewards. Also, don't overlook the card section, keep upgrading them as much as you can and claim those bonuses. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.